Now, Kim here, your mom tells me you have a new friend.
Yes, I do.
Oh.
He's mine.
Oh my. Come here, young man. Aren't you exceptional? Oh, well, I guess.
Stay away.
Okay, well, I thought it would be nice to show you how to make some vodka infused with candy for Halloween this year. So I brought you over here to my bar. Isn't it nice? I love to entertain. Anyway, I'm Gladys, and we're gonna make some candy infused liquor, either rum or vodka or tequila. You can make anything you want, and you can see some examples of what I've done. This is candy corn, and this is Jolly Rancher Blue, which is blue raspberry, and the last one is actually a pumpkin Kai tea, and they're all infused vodkas. But today we're gonna do infused rum. So go ahead, sweetie, get your rum, and we're gonna use butter rum candy. So go ahead.
So how much do I pour?
Whatever, however much you want to. That's gonna be your bottle. You can take it home. I won't tell your mama. And so what you usually do is you put the candy in there and it'll dissolve, literally dissolve. Now when you do it with candy corn, you gotta make sure that you use like a coffee filter and like filter out the candy corn because it becomes like this mucky stuff at the bottom of the bottle. It's nasty.
Oh.
And just, oops. So this must be nice. And imagine this like a warmed butter rum apple cider. Can you imagine?
Oh yeah, warmed up would be really nice.
Delicious. So that's what we're gonna do today.
So how many do you think need to go in there?
I would fill it to the bottom is completely covered in candy. Completely covered in candy.
And how long does it take for it to dissolve?
It usually takes like an hour or two, believe it or not.
Oh.
You can also use candy, cotton candy, not candy cotton. Candy cotton. Cotton candy? Cotton candy. You can use cotton candy. Now cotton candy totally disappears like right away. So if you get those packages of, you know, cotton candy at the dollar store or whatever.
It does look cool.
It does look cool, really? Right? Now Edward, you're gonna kill me, but I left some cinnamon sticks out in the kitchen.
Oh shit.
Why don't you go get that, sweetie? No, not you, honey. You stay with me. Stay with mama here. Come here, you. They should be there on the stove over there. You can just, yeah, stir it in there. And you can also like crack one of these. Drop it in.
Wow.
So that gets infused in there too. So go ahead and start shaking that up. Let's make another drink. Let's see. Let's do the blue. I like the
One
blue.
out for now.
Yeah. Let's try the blue. Let that simmer. Simmer? Yeah, let that simmer. Okay, so we're gonna take the blue.
Wow.
It's strong.
That's a strong
Did you
one.
smell it?
It is super strong. We're gonna put some ice.
What was infused with this one?
That's blue Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, I think that's, now I smell the Jolly Rancher.
Yeah. And we're gonna put one
You know, blue
serving.
Jolly Rancher is my favorite one.
Really? Oh,
yeah,
funny.
I think the blue ones are the best.
And then we're gonna use some berry sparkling water. And we're gonna open this slowly because this always explodes on me. Okay. We're gonna do, what is this called? A shot? A shot?
Mm-hmm.
And then another shot of blue curacao. It's the blue one. There you go. Woo. This is such a pretty color. Okay, then who's gonna shake? You gotta hold the top.
You wanna try?
Let's see. Hopefully I don't make a mess.
Got it? Just like being a drummer.
I think we
Awesome.
got it.
Got it? Oh,
Little leaky.
oh, little leakies. Look at this beautiful color.
Oh, that looks fun.
All right, who wants it?
I'll try that.
Tell me if it's too strong. If it's too strong, just add more sparkling
Take a
water
sip.
in it.
Oh my god, it's really good. It's not too strong
Wow.
at all.
It's not too strong?
It tastes like candy.
It tastes like candy. I wonder why. So this is, yeah, it's pumpkin
Comforting.
Kai tea, and I put some 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. When you do something without candy, put some sugar in it. If not, this is gonna be like,
Yeah.
okay. So,
Well, the apple cider, I'm sure. So
do I have to measure this? Let me just, that looks good. That looks good. All right, then some ice. There we go. I just can pour this in, it's iced tea. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
And then just a little bit of fizzy lime on top. And where's the cinnamon? Give me one of the cinnamon sticks. This is the first time I've made this drink, so I don't know if it's any good.
It sounds like it's gonna be good.
Try that. Is it too strong?
No, that's delicious.
Yeah?
Like both were so perfect.
Cool.
This one's much more of like it's more subtle. It's more like, it's not like in your face. It's
Definitely
very.
reminds me of tea.
Now, the last one we're gonna make is,
Oh, wow.
now I don't know what the heck to make candy corn with, because candy corn can be so rank if you don't like candy corn. I think we're gonna use the same combo of, I don't know, berry or lime, or cherry lime.
Candy corn, maybe.
Cherry? No?
We're not, you know, we're like mad scientists here. We're just making it up as we go
Well,
along.
we haven't used the cherry, so
Let's try the cherry
let's
lime.
do the cherry.
And you can also serve these as shots, straight. All right, I'm gonna shake it. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that one looks very Halloween.
Cheers.
Yay.
All right, let me try this thing. Damn!
It's good?
Yeah, you know, because you can taste the candy corn, but the cherry lime kind of takes that away.
So it's not too.
So it's not too candy corn. So you have, like, other ideas are Red Hots, sour candy, we already said Jolly Ranchers, so, and then we still have the rum. Let's see if you want to try the butter rum with the apple.
Yeah, let's see how that turned out.
Some apple. What else should we put in it? Oh, let's put a little bit of pumpkin. Get a little bit of the pumpkin one. So we got pumpkin infused.
Oh, we got a pumpkin one here hiding.
A little bit of pumpkin infused vodka. We might need a shot, just to do a
That
shot
smells
of
like
that.
pumpkin.
Yeah, let's just do a little shot of that. Ooh, whoa. So you get your,
Big shot.
yeah, I would serve this over ice. All right, see how that tastes.
Taste test.
It's got rum, it's got vodka, holy. Gonna knock you on your butt.
This is good.
Yeah.
Definitely more strong on the strong end compared
Yeah,
to the other ones.
vodka
but
and rum.
Wow.
yeah, that tastes like.
It's like an
Our
old
kind of
fashioned
drink.
almost.
It's like,
We like the
oh,
strong
and I
ones.
would put I would put a cinnamon stick in that one too. And there you have it. Some fall Halloween drinks for your table, for your Halloween party, or if you're just gonna have a get together with some special friends. Oh, fine, whatever. Where's my damn dog? We'll be right back.